can actually talk about how unconscious mind is going to get projected in your personality. Hello everyone, today we'll be discussing previous year questions of the topic of personality in psychology, and the questions are of the year 2023. Now let's begin with it. So the first question which was there in UPSC CSC 2023 was with respect to, do childhood experiences affect us in our entire lives, right? And then they said that elaborate your answer in light of personality theories. That means with respect to your personality theories, you have to elaborate the answer of personality. That means the childhood to adult does these experiences affect the entire lives of the person, right? Now what you have to write over here is, for example, you have to actually tell, when the child or the infant is there. So from there onwards to the journey of adulthood, that means what all the person goes through, over what all the child goes through at the teenage, at the oral stage, in all that stages. So all those things get there in the mind of the child, and the question is saying that, do these experiences affect the entire lives? So elaborate your answer in the light of personality theories. That means now you have to talk about the personality theory. So what you can do over here is that you can start with, for example, you can give the example of Sigmund Freud's or Sigmund Freud's. Psychoanalysis perspective, right? Then you can also write about the attachment theory. Now attachment theory, that means usually when we are small, then we get attached. So when we are talking about attachment theory, we need to know about how the growing of the child is done, that the child gets attached to the parents, or for that matter with respect to friends, or with that matter with respect to relations and all. So here you can also write about attachment theory of John Bowlby. Fine. Now other than that, you can also go for behaviorist theories, social learning theories, etc. So behaviorist and social learning theories with respect to Albert Bandura and B.F. Skinner's. So B.F. Skinner, fine. Other than that, you can also go for humanistic perspective with respect to Carl Rogers, or humanistic theories of fine. So here I have told you about what these theories, which are ultimately leading to the personality development of the child to adult. So I have just mentioned some of them. If you want, you can mention more, many of them. For example, this question is of 20 marks, so of course you can go with all the other theories if you feel like. I was just telling you about the attemptation portion. Fine. Now moving to the second one. The second question says that, what hypothetical ideas what hypothetical ideas lead to the development of projective personality test? Now this is very important. Why? Because they are saying hypothetical ideas leading to the development of projective personality test. For this you have to actually explain what is projective personality. Now projective personality is a personality where the personality of the person gets influenced by all the inner things that are there. For example, how the unconscious mind is working, and for that matter you can also talk about the inner conflicts with respect to any kind of fear psychosis that is operating, then any kind of desire that had been instilled for very long. So what happens is that in this projective personality, you should actually know that they are basically talking about what, how the unconscious mind is there. You can also talk about how fear psychosis is there, right? So unconscious mind, fear psychosis. You can also talk about for example, the inner conflicts that are happening. So inner conflicts. Now all these things are going to get projected in your personality, right? So what they are asking is that what hypothetical ideas lead the development of projective personality test. That means you have to actually talk about all the hypothetical ideas that are going for this projective personality test. Now what you can talk about is I'm just giving you this glimpse, that unconscious mind. So now you can actually talk about how unconscious mind is going to get projected in your personality, right? So here you can mention about for example the approach of Freud's, right? You can write about how the unconscious mind is able to create information with respect to create information with respect to whatever you are encountering. Fine. Other than that, you also have to talk about, for example, what else test could be there? For example, there is like, free associations. So when you are like interacting with the person, so what is happening is that there is this projective personality. So that personality could be, viewed when the person is actually associating with somebody, because that is the point where the person puts out their opinions, etc. So what is happening is, with respect to that, what you can find is, you can write over here is free associations. You can mention about what kind of symbol meaning the person has associated to, right? So Freud's this unconscious mind creation of information free association symbolizing the meaning or the person with respect to information. That means if any event has happened in my life, for that matter, so how am I going to consider that event, or how am I going to interpret that event, because that will become a symbol for me. For example, if somebody has given, for example, if I am traveling in any of the region, right, and the people have been very good to me, so what is going to happen is that for me that region, or for me that information in the symbol form would be like, oh my god, those regions are so good, why people are so nice and kind over there. So what is happening is that I am associating that place with a certain kind of symbol, with a certain kind of information. Now all this is what, as the question is saying, what hypothetical ideas lead the development of projective personality test. So what you can do is, first you have to write about projective personality. Now projective personality tests are like how they are projecting. So it could be like free association, it could be like symbol meaning. Now what they said is what hypothetical ideas, what are the ideas that are leading to it. So the ideas is, that means whatever you have stored in unconscious mind, whatever fear psychosis are operating, what kind of inner conflict that is happening inside you, so you can write about all those things. It could be broadened in a multiple parameter, but since it's a 10 marks question, it could be easily handled, right? Okay, so 2023 we had 2 questions and I have discussed with it with you people. Next time I'll be coming with 2022 PYQ. Thank you so much.